Hey, what is up, guys? So you have a LG Smart TV and you also have a sound bar. Took me forever to figure this out, but basically I wanted one remote, my TV remote, to increase and decrease the volume on my sound bar and on the TV at the same time. And also when I turn the TV off, I wanted to turn off the TV and the sound bar, okay? So it took me for a while to figure this out, but let me show you what I did here. So the first thing is, let me go ahead and play this video.
It's called the Wally Universal
Now you can
TV
see
stand, and it says it fits.
When I lower the volume down,
22
my sound bar is lowering too.
Here.
Okay, if I go ahead and turn it off, let me turn the TV off.
Because some people say that
If I turn it off, TV's off, and now it says "bye" on my my sound bar here. So let me go ahead and turn this back on. And as soon as I turn my TV on,
okay, so it kind of goes and just like
not only turned on my TV, it turned on the TV and the sound bar. Okay, so this is what I did here. So the first thing is go to your settings, whatever model you have on there. On my remote, I have the settings right here. Let me just click on that. Click on the settings. And then I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side. I'm going to go to right here. It says sound. So let me go ahead and tap on this right here. Oop, sound. Okay. Now, okay. Oh yeah. And also it's hooked up to the optical. Okay. You got the optical cable that's hooked up. So if I put it on optical and I go ahead and play.
I mean, this is like okay the way it is, like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the TV on the stand.
If you look over here, I have no volume on the TV. I have to use my sound bar remote. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to the settings here. So back to the settings, we're going to go back to sound right here. Let me click on sound. Now it's optical. Obviously, it's not HDMI ARC because I don't have my HDMI on there. I'm using the optical, so that wouldn't work. Okay, now let me go over here. Now here's optical and internal. Okay, now this is only going to work just for the TV. It's not going to control the sound bar using one remote. Okay, what I had to do is go over here. No, this is what I want. Bluetooth, sound out. Okay, so let me just go to my device list here. And then this will pop up here. Okay, so Bluetooth. So it says Bluetooth sound out, as you can see up here. And then this is my sound bar. This is the LG SLY5 sound bar right here. Now I have to the register device has to be on here. So now I see that. Now let me just go ahead and play and let's see what happens.
Original legs here. Now you see this TV
now you
system
can
I
see,
have.
So you can see now, you can see the volume
I can actually go lower
on the sound bar
original,
and the TV going the same time now. Okay, and also let me just shut it off really fast. I'll shut the TV off.
Okay. Or
And it's just the TV off. It'll say bye on the sound bar as well. And I'll turn the TV back on. Okay, TV's on. Now it says hello. See, you can see my sound bar is on as well. And I can still increase and decrease. So I hope that helped some of you guys out.